Welcome, my peeps. I'm back with another one for you guys. This one has been in the workshop for a few months now, and I am bringing to you a banana hair mask, which involves eggs, one egg, a banana. Um, we have here aloe vera stock and or coconut oil as always. So I'm just going to cut into my aloe vera and peel it in order to get the gel out of it. So you see me here taking off the sides, and then I'm going to just go right in the middle right here, and that's just how I do it. You can take it apart however you feel most comfortable with. Now this one is a bit skinny and mug. I never have enough juice and thing, but we did do what we have to do and make it work. So you see me here, I'm using a spoon, and I'm using the spoon to take out the gel out of the leaf, because that's what we're going to use. I found that when we have the green stalk or the skin left on the aloe vera, it can cause some form of itchiness, so it's best to clean it out as best as possible. Now, just some fun facts with the banana hair mask. So banana on its own has a score of vitamins and other nutrients, which helps to nourish your hair. It has benefits such as it's high in vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium. It's free of sodium and cholesterol, and it improves the shine of the hair. So this I've seen because I've been using my banana hair mask for a few months now. Like I said, it's been in the works for a while because I wanted to basically test and prove and ensure that everything is good. And I've found that it makes your hair super soft and super shiny, and it moisturizes your scalp and helps to prevent dandruff. However, it does alter the pH of your hair and can cause overgrowth of fungus on the scalp. So you see me here, I'm adding my banana, cracked my egg and dropped it in, and then I'm just going to pour some coconut oil. I'm doing this freehand. I really have no measurements at all. I just gauge it or eyeball it based on the amount that I think I'm going to need for my hair. Now I am just going to blend this up in my mixer, my juicer, and create a puree or a solution of a sort. Now back to some fun facts about the hair mask. It maintains the natural hair elasticity, which protects the hair and prevents it from breaking and having split ends and stuff like that. And the vitamins that is found in the banana helps to soften your scalp, preventing tight scalp and giving you that elasticity that you need. Now I'll just pour out the mixture, and you can see that it's pretty watery. I would have loved for it to be a little less watery. That would have been awesome to have it more of a paste, but it works. And in order to do that, I've just put less water into it. But here we have a nice smooth mixture, and we don't need to strain it at all because it does not leave any residue in the hair. So I'm just going to section off my hair real quick and real fast, so just to match up that under the do. And then it's easier to work in sections, as you know, with the thickness of my hair. So I'm just putting it in 6. That's my go-to for some reason, 3 on each side. And as you can see, I'm just using my finger to do this. I'm starting with the ends and just feeding through for any tangles and any knots to get a natural part and separation to prevent myself from basically ripping out or tearing out any of my hair strands. Now, the banana is actually great for this. As I mentioned before, it protects the hair by restoring its elasticity, and it strengthens the hair strands. The egging knit is actually really dope for that. And you want to also be careful with how much you use, because I've recognized that I've been using it for about 4 months now, and my hair was getting a bit brittle, even though it's supposed to moisturize it. But the egg with the protein, and we know aloe vera has amino acids, which is the protein also in our hair, and this may also cause your hair to be super brittle. So you want to pace yourself, or go back and forth between another moisturizing hair mask, maybe like aloe vera and rosemary, or aloe vera and avocado, and take out the banana and the egg for a little bit. So you could just use this when you feel like you need a dose of protein to get your hair growing. So you just see me here applying the mixture. I start from the root, the ends, my bad, and I focus there because you want to ensure that you are protecting the senior citizens of the society here, which is your hair, right? That's what I like to call them, my grandparents. So I'm just working my way from my ends, and then I just slip my hand up and I'd use it to detangle my hair, because my hair was a bit messy here. And like I said, it gives you that slip and that elasticity. So I'm just focusing on my ends and my scalp as well, because as we mentioned before, it helps to soften the scalp, and it also is great with preventing dandruff. So I'm just going in to try and saturate my hair with as much as possible. And now I'm just going to leave you guys to just see what I'm doing. I'm going in with a wide tooth comb to help with the detangling process. Your fingers are always awesome, but sometimes you need a little help when it's like super bad. So the wider the comb teeth and the longer they are, the way better they will be for you. So now I'm just twisting over my hair, and I'm gonna speed this up because the process is pretty repetitive, and I'm just doing the same thing for the other 5 sections. And then I am basically going to allow this to steam for a few minutes. Well, cap. I had my hair steam for a couple hours. I think I gave it 2 to 3 hours, somewhere thereabout. I just went about and did my chores and let the hair cook and do its thing under there. And well, not really cook, because you don't want the egg to actually cook on your hair. So you want to ensure that it's not too hot, because you could use a blow dryer or a hooded dryer to speed up the process. However, I did not do that. And of course, we're just going to shampoo and condition per usual and style. So thanks you guys for watching, and go on, walk good.